Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Rhonda, or otherwise known as Belle, as some of you call me, and I love it, y'all know it. I'm seriously thinking about, instead of saying this is Rhonda, saying this is Belle, because y'all know I've always hated my given name. I've even had friends tell me that name does not suit me, that name has almost a harsh tone to it, and there's nothing really harsh about me. I try not to be anyway, and I've always thought that name just didn't feel right to me either. My mom told me that my grandmother, my hair keeps, I apologize, that fan keeps blowing my hair in my face and making my face itch, and I can't really deal without the fan. I apologize for that noise. I know it's annoying, and it's starting to cool off a little bit to where I can probably turn it off here shortly. I've still got some other videos to do, so hopefully I can turn it off soon. I did my my lashes. See, I put lashes on for you guys, and I did this look. I am going to be posting the video. It probably won't go up for a few days because I'm trying to get all of my, I don't want to bombard y'all with videos, but I do want to get all my unboxings out that I've gotten so far, so y'all can see if there's anything you like, or like I know a lot of people want to see the unboxings for the boxycharm so they can get an idea of what they might be getting. So I like to get those out just as soon as I get them, because I know I did it for a long time, went and watched videos and tried to get an idea of what I might be getting, and it's kind of fun, so I like to get those out immediately. I know that is important to people, so as soon as I get all those out, I will do I know some people said the tutorial, and to me, I'm thinking I'm not good enough at makeup to show any kind of tutorial, but I do like to show you all what I've done. And I know just showing swatches, like I've got on my arms here, and then you can put it on your eyes and it looked totally different. So I like showing you all what I've done actually to my eyes as I'm doing it, so you see just how many times I had to swatch it, how many times, had to put the brush in it, how many times I had to go over it, you know, all that kind of stuff, to give you an idea if you're thinking about a certain palette or certain anything, just how pigmented it is, how buildable it is, and just telling somebody how many times you did it is totally different than actually showing them as you're doing it. To me, I know some people say just put your makeup on and tell people what you did, but to me that's totally different, because I could forget that it might have taken me 4 tries to go with a certain color, and then you get it and say, hey, there's no pigment to this. I've done it twice, and so if I show you that I've just went over this color 3 times, you can decide for yourself. Do you want a palette that might need that to do that much work to get the color you want, or something that you just need to barely touch? Or it's just different to me, so I like to share that with you all. And again, I'm rambling, and this is my Ipsy bag. This is the base bag. These are $12 a month. This is actually, Ipsy bag is actually my very first subscription bag, box, whatever you want to call it. My very first one ever. I'm thinking maybe 4 years ago, and this isn't actually what made me, Ipsy isn't what made me fall in love with boxes though. Boxycharm is the one that made me fall in love with my subscription boxes. Ipsy was just a thing to try out different things, and to try to I remember I told y'all I had a house fire and I lost everything except, I think it was a lip gloss and a mascara that I had in my bag. And for years for 2 or 3 years I didn't buy anything other than just my basic mascara and stuff, because him and Levi, and he's had so many things and so many specialists and so much that I didn't feel right spending money on myself, but now he's getting older and I'm trying to do a little bit more for myself. And I really love my mystery bags or the boxes. I like to have some kind of idea. I don't like them to be a complete mystery. I'm very, what do you want to say, curious. I'm too curious to, for years I've been like so many other people. I go on YouTube and I try to figure out what, I mean, that's fun. It's the fun of trying to figure out what you might get. So here's the inside. This is a really cute bag, and it's really kind of sturdy. It has their logo. There's their little, all of them pretty much have some little pulley thing that has their name on it. It feels like a vinyl. I like this bag. It's simple. I'm betting Levi will want this bag because it's not pink or purple or girly colors, and he loves to put like his little tiny Legos and Nerf darts or whatever in these kind of bags. And I'm really hesitant to give him one pink and purple and girly stuff, but this is shiny and little kids like shiny, so I'm betting he will want that, and I don't have a problem in giving him that. So the first thing I got is this little It Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep for all skin types. Of course, this is just pretty much samples. Oh, it's a pretty purple lavender like color. It is just samples. Every now and then you do get things other than, I've got swatches everywhere, but every now and then you do get like a nail polish, which is a full size, or sheet mask, which is really a full size, or lip liners or eyeliners. But for the most part, it is just samples and deluxe samples. Here's a Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum by Tony Moly. I'm excited for that. Will definitely, and it does have a safety seal. I'm going to take it off because I will probably try this tonight. Oh, it is, if I can find a spot, it is completely clear, like I'm not dirty. I have swatches all over me because this is my 4th video that I've made with some type of swatches, so I'm not dirty. I just swatched up, and I had everything sitting right here where I can get these done and not get up and down so much, and I needed to bring a rag with me because, like I said, I'm not dirty. Those are all just swatches. Anybody who's made videos, I know I've seen so many people who make videos have to explain the same thing because they've got swatches everywhere. Oh, this is safety sealed, so this will probably go into one of the smaller future giveaways because I'm sorry, my hair is tickling my face. That fan is driving me nuts, but it's so hot in here without it. This is a Generation Clay Detoxifying Charcoal Clay Mask. I was thinking about doing a giveaway, not right now, because right now I'm doing the giveaway with the 200 subscriber giveaway, which I've just recently passed 250, so at the first of the month I was at 200, but I'm thinking about doing, just for the heck of it, next month, just put some items in one of these, not this one, but just some bag. I've got so many of them, and just put some items in one of these bags and just do a giveaway for the heck of it. What do you guys think? I know some of y'all had mentioned that you really wished you could get an Ipsy bag, so I was just thinking about fixing one and letting somebody see exactly what an Ipsy bag is by putting a bunch of these little whatever I have here in there. And this will be one of them because I think last month I got 2 of those too. Or maybe 3. And I got this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Very happy to try this. I got the Tatcha moisturizer 2 or 3 months ago, and I use it some, and I just love that. If that wasn't so expensive, I would definitely be buying that. And it's so nice, I might still buy it when money is not as big of a issue.
I'm back.
Okay, go on in there, let me finish.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too. Now go on, let me
You're the best mommy in the world. When are we going to do the other video I got
here
finished?
shortly. Go on, let me finish. And then I got the Limitless. Is this, yeah, Real Her. I was going to say, it looks like Real Her packaging. Okay, this is a Real Her. I apologize. He is getting a bit stir crazy. He loves to get in my videos and say hi to y'all. So, it's a very kind of, I guess it's being so tiny, it almost has to be small. The packaging, okay, there's that. It's pretty color. Let's see, did I say this is Be Limitless? What is the name? Is Be Limitless Color Rich Lip Gloss. I think Be Limitless must be the name. So got that. Got the Tatcha spray. Glad to get that. Got the It cream. Got the Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum from Tony Moly, and got the Generation Clay Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So I got all of those. The next bag, I've got at least one more coming. I probably won't swatch the things that come, because I will probably put those in the giveaway, or some of them. I've got other things in here too from last month, and well, for 2 or 3 months that I've been putting up to give a giveaway. So I think I'm going to do that next month, is just put several things, whatever I can fit in one of these bags, and send y'all an Ipsy bag. What do you think about that? I'm trying to think of things that I can do to give back, some things that I can afford to do, and I can't afford to give huge things every month, but I do want to do what I can. So, and then I think I will do my next giveaway maybe at 4 or 5, I don't know, because I'm already at I think I said 263, and I'm still working on the 200 giveaway. So, and I plan on ending that at the end of this month, and then maybe starting this one, and then hopefully I would like to do some kind of small giveaway every month, and then of course do the big giveaways for the subscriber count, but still do some kind of little one just to say thank you and show you all how much I care and everything. So that was my Ipsy, the base bag, and I appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.